So we're going to Target. I'm not going to Target. My dad's gonna drop me off and we're gonna go drop me off at my friend's house and I'm gonna go play over there. Yeah. Should be warm enough. Should work.
That's cute.
It's cute. All right, you guys, we did it. We got the nose ring in. So that was a so this weekend was a really crazy weekend.
Basically, I was in my room just hanging out with Presley, and then my lips started to feel like really numb, and like it felt like I just had a dental procedure. So I was like videoing it, like sending it to my best friend Kate and my boyfriend, and then like I completely lost function, and then I called Kate and she was like, I'm gonna call your dad. So I went and called him instead, and then when I tried to talk to him, all my words just like didn't work and I couldn't say anything, and it was just all like gibberish, like I couldn't talk at all, and I started freaking out, and then
we started freaking out. I mean, we tried to stay as calm as we could. She even said, I think I'm having a stroke.
yeah.
And that's very much what it seemed
That's
like.
what it felt like, because I like couldn't speak and my arm was like flopping around again.
Yeah.
It was heavy, so I was like, I think I'm having a stroke.
But what was different about this one is she didn't, it happened and then it went away and she was able to talk, but it happened 3 times. So it was like short little bursts. She got an MRI. Well, she got a CT scan, then she got an MRI, and then she got a long MRI. The MRI showed she didn't have a stroke, which is, praise Jesus, no stroke. So they don't actually know what it was. She didn't have, what was it, a TIA?
Yeah, that was one thing they were thinking of.
They were thinking,
they hooked her up to an EEG as well, thinking she may have had like a seizure, but seizures they can only tell with an EEG if they're actually happening.
Yeah.
And they didn't hook it up obviously right away, so.
yeah, they didn't even hook it up till like 3 a.m. and by that time she was like, she was totally normal. By the time she went into her short MRI, it was like, she was like, I think it's gonna be fine. And then it was fine ever since. And she was able to talk normally, be her normal self. So it was very scary.
Yeah, and then for the MRI, they had to, we were trying to take my nose piercing and it didn't work, so they had to cut it.
Yes.
So
she has been through it with this nose piercing.
Yeah.
So she woke up this morning and I was like, okay, let's wash your hair. I washed her hair, I blow dried it. And I was like looking, I'm like, is your nose ring still in there? Because it was a plastic one. No, it was gone. And so it must have fell out either in the bath or while you were sleeping, I don't know. So we put a plastic one in there, but then we found one of these little piercings, which it's really cute. It's angry right now, but it will be better. We're gonna put some triple antibiotic ointment on it and kind of try to, oh yeah, we got some right here. Try to make sure it stays. So after her long MRI, they found that I don't even know if I want to get into that right now, but she's gonna have to have a angiogram. So we're gonna talk to her doctors. Luckily, her stroke doctor was on call this weekend, and so she knows like her history, and so it was really relieving to know that she was on call. So anyways, she's feeling totally fine and normal. Got home yesterday. We were really tired. She actually had an Ativan to go into the MRI because she gets a little, you don't like MRIs. They're not, especially of the brain, because your head is in that.
It's like you have to clip your head in, and then you have like to be strapped down.
She has PTSD.
It's very, if you're remotely claustrophobic, MRIs in general are scary, but when you get an MRI of your brain, like she said, it's like your whole head is
strapped in and you're like.
So we all went to bed like super early last night, and our cousins, or their cousins, my sister's kids, have a Christmas thing today. So we're gonna go to that, and then Target, she wants to get a Christmas dress.
And then a Christmas gift for my cousin.
Christmas gift for your cousin. So that's what we're gonna do. Ethan over here is making some, well, my sister brought an egg bake for us, which was really nice. We didn't have to
So delicious.
do breakfast. And Ethan is making sourdough. We will leave the recipe in the description. I love sourdough. So, what are you doing today? Austin's napping.
I'm going over to my friend's house.
You going to your friend's house? Yep. I also got this game. I'm actually really excited. We were gonna go to the cabin for Christmas, but we aren't quite sure if we're gonna do that. We don't know if we want to be that far away from the hospital. Yep. Presley, you say hi to the vlog. People don't even. She's a scaredy dog. She's probably scared of the camera. It's okay. She's just a gentle giant, right, Poppy? We made it. Maybe. Everybody is at Target today, so let's get a cart. Ooh, they're all gone.
Well, we can check in the dollar section because I know they have a needle for real.
What is the needle?
Nita, I said the same thing. That's what we get for coming, like, what,
Well, we
4
can
days
check in
before
the dollar
Christmas?
section.
Yeah, that's fine. We can get her other things too. We got creamer stuff. Okay.
The ones that
Well, the needles was for Bria.
Oh, for Brielle. Oh, gone? Bummer,
what are you
dude.
looking for here?
Those weighted, wait, just like a bigger one? Because these are little guys. We could do Amazon too. We've been a little busy. We've been in the hospital. Okay, what's the next thing on our list? Okay, we're trying to find a Christmas outfit for Gray. He's at his friend's house. He's just about as big as Nevaeh, so I think will fit him. Got him some jeans because jeans are hard. He's in between sizes right now,
Get him
so.
one pair of boot cut.
Okay.
So he can wear with his boots.
Well, why don't we? Yeah, we'll do and he's in a weird season right now of in between sizes, so we're trying to figure it out. I like that one. That's cute. Okay, we have couple more.
Yep.
Which one do you like the best so far?
Yeah,
Black,
one.
the other black one. Yeah. We found a dress. We found some other things, but we didn't get a lot of what we wanted. However, we just shifted, right, babe?
Yep.
What'sy?
Washi, look at Washi. Washi.
You can tell his tail's wagging because his head's shaking back and forth.
Washi. Washi. Hi, buddy. Hi. He's probably gonna forget it. That's what Washi does. Is that today or is that for?
What do you mean? For our Thursday.
You got it all? The king of. I'm not gonna make multiple trips.
It's not a good representation. Normally I got
True.
10 bags in each.
Washi, he's a cutie boy. Getting wetty. Courtney's getting wetty.
I did my teeth.
Cheeks are really wet.
Yeah, Gray was playing outside. Can you tell?
Yeah.
Oh, Nevaeh's going low. Nevaeh, you need a juice?
I got one in the bathroom here.
Okay. Okay. What's he doing again? Vacuum in again, Poppy.
We're here.
We're here.
You can't see. Here, you.
Here, I'll show you. Look. Got it at Target today, you guys, for $7.50. $7.50.
Yep.
So she is all ready for church. I'm wearing a Target shirt. It's old, and my pants, and the boys are all dressed up, so we're gonna go see cousins. Sing to Jesus. It's a really, look at all that tinsel.
My candle's taller than yours.
What?
My candle's taller than yours. Yours is just thicker.
Mine's a baby.
Mine's taller than both of yours.
You got a new one.
Just got home from the Christmas service. It was incredible. I think Courtney vlogged a little bit of it. We kind of ran out of here to get to the service right before dinner, so we're making a couple things. Had a leftover Papa Murphy's pizza that Rachel and Josh had brought over while we were in the hospital. I wanted some gluten-free mac and cheese. Who's your good puppy? Wussy. Nevaeh's chillaxing with Presley, watching her favorite show, Gilmore Girls. Austin's getting a workout, of course. Cranking the tunes. Gray's about to turn on Madden. And Mama is exhausted. And I think she might... No, she's not quite up in her room yet.
Making my way there.
She's getting there. Why is it so blurry?
Click the screen.
There we go. Better.
That's probably really
Mama's headed up to her room. She's got all of her drinks. She's breezing on by. Whoa!
That is all.
Headed up. Look at you, matchy.
We love the olive.
We love olive green around here.
Yeah.
We haven't even shown them my olive green truck yet.
I mean, you don't even have it.
It's in the shop, getting fixed.
We don't have the electric one anymore. So
No, thank God we don't have the electric one. See you on the other side, Ann.
Peace out.
Do you want some pizza when I'm done?
No.
What do you want?
Good morning. It is
In the fridge.
Monday. Yep, in the fridge. My friend Jessa actually came and dropped off some goodies for us. She made these when we had her little, it was like a Christmas pajama party thing, and they're so good, but they're so good. Oh, look at Charlie over here. But today's Monday, so Grayson's putting the protein away that we have. Everything, you know when you're like been in the hospital for like a minute and you come back home and you're like, everything's chaotic and Christmas is in a few days. Yay, face razors, my favorite. That's how it's kind of been around here. So Nevaeh's boyfriend's coming over today and we're gonna do well, she has an ultrasound that she has to go to for her kidneys to just kind of check to make sure her angioplasty did well. So we are cleaning up a little bit. Wawasi? Yep. And we're gonna do gingerbread houses here. And these are Christmas gifts. So these can go up in Mom's makeup room. No, because I don't have the rest of Soraya's. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on my Instagram, so follow me there.
And you're scaring the dogs.
It's not even lit up.
You don't like it?
Presley's scared of everything. Oh.
Presley.
This?
This is gonna be hard. Don't give up.
Need more juice. Yeah.
What?
Need more juice.
Juice?
Or whatever it's called. Frosting.
Ah, it's coming out the top.
Need a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
I'm trying to get the. You guys are still trying?
Yes.
We think we can win.
Wait. Come on, I got this. You made it worse.
I think we're winning.
Welcome to our hometown skating rink. How sick is this? They have 2 full rinks in the middle, and then you can skate all the way around. I may have showed you guys this last year, and then there's a sledding hill right up there. Grayson actually broke his collarbone over there about 4 or 5 years ago. And away they go. It's actually, ice is kind of choppy. The boys switched to sledding now. Got sick of the ice skating. Let's see it. How was that? It's like sliding down ice. Let's see it, Keegan.